My two new guests, who I was not told I would be interviewing until now, Ammo and Bulk Hogan. So what have you got to say?
I clearly won the war at Nintendo Warfare. I shouldn't have to fight this moron again. But no matter, because this time I'll actually get to make him shit his pants.
And your thoughts, Hogan?
Tonight is my final night in TWA, and I will not let my Bulkamaniacs down this time. I will...
What's that rumbling sound?
Yeah. What's wrong, Hogan?
Nothing. Just a little cramp.
Okay. There's sure to be epic I Shit rematches up next.
Coming up here is the I Shit match.
You heard that rumbling in Hogan's stomach? Looks like the X-Lax filled water is starting to take its toll.
As far as this match goes, one will receive such a devastation and humiliation that it would, in Hogan's case, end his career.
The following contest is the I Shit Rematch. Introducing first, from Jacksonville, Florida, weighing in at 231 pounds, Ammo.
Frankly, I don't know what Bulk Hogan is thinking going into this match. I mean, we have no security guards see. If you look at the camera closely, you could see that it was Ammo.
You didn't have to look closely. You could see it from 100 yards away.
What's you gonna do when Bulk Hogan rumbles all over you? And his opponent, from Hollywoodland, California, weighing in at 325 pounds, the unmovable Bulk Hogan.
I gotta tell you, Mark, when this guy is on, there's nobody that is ever like him. Nobody that can match him.
Yeah, nobody can match him because nobody's as bad of a wrestler than he is.
But he cups his ear from the east to the west to the north and the south, and he sees the chance of all of these Bulkamaniacs that are cheering on their hero. But can he get the job done here?
And how long can he hold in the X-Lax?
Bulk Hogan gets knocked into the announce table. Like you said, Mark, that X-Lax causes Bulk Hogan to go into this match at a sheer disadvantage. It makes Ammo's work a lot easier to try to put him in a submission so painful that he would, well, crap his pants. But can Bulk Hogan, can he for the life of him just hold out? Bulk Hogan needs to do whatever he can to focus on the match and not focus on anything that's fecal related. Oh no, it's Wrinkle Flair. This is not good. You know he's going to try to interfere on Ammo's behalf. Wait a minute! It's legs!
But who's he gonna help? I mean, we know that history between Hogan and Legs.
It looks like Legs is coming to Hogan's aid. He's going after Wrinkle Flair. There's a bulldog. But Legs gets attacked by Ammo for his efforts. Wait a minute. Looks like Hogan's got a pair of crutches. Are they his? Or are they someone from the audience? Hogan tries to smack Ammo with the crutches. We still got Legs and Wrinkle Flair going at it here. It's no disqualification. Oh! Hulk Hogan just side suplexed Ammo right through the announce table.
And it was right on the point of that edge.
Ammo is too preoccupied with Legs that he's not focusing on Bulk Hogan.
Referee keeping a close eye on those tights.
Referee Charles Robinson has to inspect the collective asses of two of these competitors to see if one shits his pants. Although with Ammo it may be a bit troubling because he has dark pants, right? So therefore it'll be hard to see if he is shat or not. Legs and Wrinkle Flair have both returned to the dressing room. Ammo smacks Bulk Hogan with the steel steps, but quite frankly, I don't know how that's supposed to make him weak enough to shit himself. The I Shit match is synonymous with Bulk Hogan.
Oh, there goes Ammo again, using a submission with Hogan sitting. You can't make him crap his pants when he's sitting.
But Bulk Hogan clips Ammo's knee. Looks like he's getting back in fine form. I don't think I've seen Bulk Hogan in quite amazing shape as I've seen right here, right now. He's just tripping Ammo across the steel steps. And Ammo with a massive clothesline to Bulk Hogan. Ammo's going to do everything he can to bring upon the death of Bulkamania. There's a double axe handle. And now there's the half Boston Crab. This could be the move that makes Bulk Hogan soil himself. And he's at a serious disadvantage. Oh, Bulk Hogan, he's still finding the strength. He hulks out. Or in this case, bulks out of the move.
I will be the happiest person in the world after tonight. Hogan will finally be gone, and then all we have to do is get rid of Ammo, Wrinkletron, and Legs, and all the rejects are finally out of here.
Bulk Hogan decides to get out of Dodge, figuring he was going to be in trouble at that point. Any move that hurts the kidney or the lower back or anywhere around the lower intestinal area is bad for either participant. Any trauma to that area will cause the person to soil himself. Ammo's bringing out the table. This is what caused the glitch in the first place back in Japan.
Oh, don't tell me he wants to end it again like that.
No, we are not going to have this match end in the glitch. No fucking way, no fucking how. Oh, and a knee lift right to the face. And Bulk Hogan, he is severely bleeding, cut above the eye. Looks like this might impair Bulk Hogan's vision. The blood spill, it's already massive. It's around the ring. Sure, Ammo is feeling really proud of himself. Oh no. Oh no. That fiery table.
This is actually starting to get good.
If the shit's gonna smell bad dry, what's it gonna smell like when it's burnt? Bulk Hogan's cut is severely looking bad at this point. He's losing more blood by the second. And there's a double arm DDT. Now Bulk Hogan, using whatever strength he has, sends Ammo down for a Gorilla Press Slam, but he's not focused on making him shit himself. Now he is! Looks like... No, he's not. It's a Russian leg sweep. Oh no, now he's just raking that cut even further. Ammo's trying to keep that wound fresh. Oh no. Is he going to send Bulk Hogan through the table? Oh, and I think he just burned his midsection right there. Bulk Hogan's angry. Oh no. Oh, Jesus Christ, Superstar. That may have burned Bulk Hogan's backside.
I've heard Hogan scream a lot of times in matches, but I never heard him scream like that.
Bulk Hogan, he's now severely injured, I think. And this match can't be stopped. The only way it can end is through one of these people to soil themselves. And this match may be over very shortly.
I'm amazed with Hogan's will. How he's keeping that X-Lax in, I have no idea.
And Bulk Hogan gets his hand on a steel chair, and now it looks like Ammo is bleeding. You can see the red starting to cover his green camouflage. And Ammo knocks Bulk Hogan down. Ooh, that bad cut right above the eye. Bulk Hogan, he's starting to resemble the Crimson Mask. I think Bulk Hogan's knee just gave out. This match has so far been much more violent than in Japan, which is ironic because Japan is a home for a lot of violent wrestling. Bulk Hogan, is he going to put Ammo through the table?
Maybe he's going to try and give Ammo a taste of his medicine by glitching him.
But then that doesn't solve anything. We're not going to end this on a glitch. One of these people has to soil himself. It's plain and simple. These men signed to the match. They know what they're getting into. Oh, there's a backhand by the Bulkster. And now, his big fat butt right onto Ammo's sternum. He may have crushed it. I don't know how Bulk Hogan's getting this energy right here. He's hanging Ammo upside down. Blood-filled faces and all. Now he's putting the boot right underneath the chin.